Scaling a business usually brings a steep increase in overhead. You find yourself managing developer fees, signing expensive agency retainers, and grinding through 60-hour work weeks just to maintain the new growth. You shouldn't have to navigate complexity manually. Modern AI agents move past simple conversation to open tabs, write code, and do the clicking for you. This is the core capability of Manus AI. Over the next few minutes, we will map out a 30-day roadmap to systematically hand off your heaviest operational workflows to these agents. To execute this plan, you only need 4 things: an active Manus account, your computer's microphone, your top competitors' websites, and access to your CRM. Completing these steps removes you from the daily grind of manual execution. You transition from an operator burning cash into a strategist directing an automated system. Step 1 focuses on your digital infrastructure. Building a custom client portal or internal app typically requires hiring a developer, waiting months through delays, and spending $10,000 before the product even goes live. You can bypass that cycle. Open the Manus platform, select the Develop Apps feature, and click the microphone icon to use the voice-to-text tool. Describe your requirements directly to the agent. Tell it what the app is, like a client intake portal. List features like document uploads and project tracking, and paste a link to a competitor's app to serve as a design reference. Manus then opens its own browser tabs, writes the back-end code, designs the interface, and provides a live deployment link you can share immediately. When you compare a standard software build of $10,000 in 3 months against the $39 and 20 minutes it takes the agent to generate the same tool, the efficiency gains are clear. The prompt you write today replaces the multi-month development cycle that previously drained your quarterly budget. Step 2 applies this automation to your market strategy. In Manus, switch over to wide research. Input your competitor URLs. Scrape their pricing models, pull active ad campaigns, and aggregate recent reviews. To make this data useful, command the AI to organize the raw findings into a spreadsheet and generate a presentation highlighting the top 5 areas where your business can differentiate. This scatterplot illustrates Step 3, your content calendar. While most posts sit in an average cluster, a few break to the top right. Ask Manus to isolate videos that outpace normal engagement, reverse engineer those outliers, and output a 30-day content calendar. Automating your competitive intelligence and trend analysis removes the guesswork from your marketing. You operate with total visibility, posting content that already has a verified track record of success. Step 4 targets your human capital and sales pipeline. Finding qualified talent and managing cold leads are 2 of the most significant time sinks in business. To automate recruitment, provide Manus with your ideal candidate criteria. It autonomously scans LinkedIn and Indeed, ranks profiles by fit, and drafts a personalized outreach message to your top picks. We then apply this outbound engine to your existing pipeline. Connect the AI to your CRM and direct it to identify open deals that haven't seen a reply in at least 30 days. Most sales teams try to revive these prospects with a generic "just checking in" email, but this approach adds 0 value and often causes the lead to go permanently dark. Instead, command Manus to review the notes from your last conversation with that lead. Have it find a recent industry article addressing their specific pain point, and draft a personalized email sharing that resource. Leading with value through an automated sequence allows you to revive stalled conversations and recover revenue that your team had likely written off as lost. The final step moves the automation into your pocket. We finish the roadmap by connecting the AI to your calendar and your mobile device. This radar chart illustrates the calendar audit prompt. It compares your small, scattered daily tasks against your massive annual goals. The AI analyzes your schedule to score your productivity and ensure your daily work aligns with your long-term targets. Next, connect Manus to Telegram. Before your day begins, message the agent to scan your inbox, cross-reference your calendar, and suggest the highest leverage tasks. Mobile integration moves the AI from a static window on your desktop to a portable system that manages your tasks while you are on the move. Implementing these 5 pillars over the course of a 30-day cycle builds a comprehensive operational engine for your business. You have systematically offloaded your digital products, market research, content planning, and sales follow-ups. You are no longer trapped working inside the daily mechanisms of your company. You are now operating entirely above them. The market is separating into two groups: passive observers who talk about AI and active operators who are delegating their workloads to it today. Pick one of these 5 workflows and commit to setting it up today. Leave a comment with the first automation you plan to build. Share this video with your team and subscribe for more operational blueprints.